shopping for shoes with Daddy? You are? You showing Daddy what to buy? Isaac. Tell Isaac, no, no. Peyton, can you say shopping?
Mommy?
Who are you shopping with? Are you shopping with Daddy? No? Who are you shopping with? Are you shopping with Roddy? Say Roddy.
Roddy.
Say, who is Roddy?
Roddy.
Say Daddy. Is Roddy Daddy?
Huh?
Yeah. Well, say Daddy then. Are you shopping with Daddy?
Night-night.
Night-night. You all shopped out?